Peace world. So here I am in one of my grow tents, and as you can see, I have some things that are ready for harvest. Here we have some dragoon lettuce, and it is ready. It's Thanksgiving, so I'm going to bring it for the family, organically grown by me. Lots of love, so I just want to share it with the people that I love, and I want to show you that process. If you look behind me, you can see the microgreens growing, which is dope, and also some seedlings for growing more greens over the winter indoors. So if you're interested in this type of thing, make sure you subscribe to my channel. There will be a lot more about the basics, the DIYs, just everything you need to know about organically growing your own food. I'm a vegan myself, so this really matters to me. It helps subsidize a lot of things as far as what I eat, and it gives me a higher quality of food that I put into my stomach, which is very, very important. One of the reasons why I started urban farming in the first place. The other reason why I started urban farming was to teach people like you that you can do this yourself. You can put food on the table yourself without necessarily having to compromise yourself to make that happen, or having to overexert yourself to make that happen. So check this out, and I hope you enjoy. 4K baby. Yeah, daily practice. Peace. So here I am in my office, and I'm actually going to harvest some of this lettuce that you see here. I'm going to harvest the leaves, not the whole heads, and I'm going to soak them in some hydrogen peroxide food grade sanitized water, and then I'm going to put them in my salad spinner, the dope, which is going to dry them off, and then I'm going to put them in a bowl and bring them to Thanksgiving. So here we go. So when harvesting, you really want to grab up the leaves like so, cut back, but still leave enough space for more growth to occur. You can cut back lettuce leaves 2 or 3 times before they start to go bitter. This is my first time. Check out this leaf. Very nice, very lovely, very good green leaf. I'm very pleased. And again, we want to grab them up like so. Cut back. We want to leave a little bit of the leaf still up there. But you can see with this one, there's still a leaf up there because it'll grow back in about a week. And I can give another harvest out of it. I'm gonna put this in here to soak and wash off any excess dirt. Gonna grab this up like a ponytail. With one quick motion. Now, I'm going to take my lettuce out, water, put it into my salad spinner like so. Put all my salad spinner like so, and here we go. You can see that water coming out, dripping down the side to the bottom. As you can see, salad is relatively dry in there. Indeed, coming from being soaking wet. Nice colors, flavors. Thanksgiving Day. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're interested in learning more about any of this stuff. The YouTube channel will be up here. Boom, there you go. So yes, subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. It's poppin'. It is boom, root life, root.life actually. Check it out.